Yes, we are going to do 4.5. The following accounting information and financial ratios of N Limited relate to year ended 31st March. Inventory ratio 6 times, creditors turnover ratio 10 times, gross profit ratio 25%, debtors turnover ratio 8 times, and current ratio is 2.4. Total sales are 30 lakhs. Cash sales is 25% of credit sales. Try to concentrate whenever this type of informations are given. How to find out the answer? This is my way. You may have a different way. Cash sales are 25% of credit sales. Let credit sales be 100. Cash sales will be 25. Total sales will be 125. Total sales is given 30 lakhs. You can do cross multiplication and you will be getting all the answers. 10 into 30 divided by 125. 100 into 30 divided by 125. It is 24 lakhs. This will be automatically 6 lakhs. Total will be 30 lakhs. I have got the answer of credit sales, cash sales and total sales. Cash purchases are 2,30,000. So we can assume credit purchases nil? No. There are creditors turnover ratio. So there will be creditors. If there are creditors, you need to find out credit purchase. You cannot say that credit purchase is 0. Working capital is 2,80,000. Whenever it is written working capital, it is net working capital is 2,80,000. Are we having current ratio? Yes. 2.4 is current ratio. If these two informations are available, you can easily find out current assets and current liability. Let me find it out. Current asset minus current liability is 2,80,000. Over here, current asset divided by current liability is 2.4. So current asset is 2.4 current liability. Here instead of current assets, I can write down 2.4 current liability minus current liability is equal to 2,80,000. Current liability will be 1.4 current liability is equal to 2,80,000. Current liability will be 2,80,000 divided by 1.4 will be 2 lakhs. And 2 lakhs multiplied by 2.4 will be current assets. 4,80,000. Whenever net working capital is given and current ratio is given, it is easy to find out current assets and current liability. Closing stock inventory is 80,000 more than opening inventory. Closing stock is 80,000 more than opening stock. Try to concentrate. Closing stock is 80,000 more than opening stock. So if I want to do an equation, closing is equal to opening. Opening is 20,000 less. I want to equalize it. So opening plus 20,000 is equal to closing stock. Alright. So this is opening stock plus 20,000. Try to concentrate. This is closing stock, which is 20,000 up. This is opening stock, which is 20,000 down. Now you want to make it equal. Then closing stock will be is equal to opening stock plus 20,000 and they will be equalized. So you can put equal sign over here. Are we having a closing stock figure? No. Directly no. Alright. You are required to calculate average inventory. Alright. inventory turnover ratio is 6 times. Right? Let me find out the answers which I can find out from different ratios which are given. Inventory turnover ratio will be average stock, inventory stock. In numerator, either COGS or sales. COGS can be found out, yes, because the total sales is given and gross profit ratio is also given. So in numerator, I will be taking COGS. What will be COGS? What is sales? 30 lakhs minus 25% or 30 lakhs multiplied by 75%. If 25% is GP, 75% will be COGS. So it will be 30 lakhs into 0.7, that is 22 lakh, 50,000 will be COGS. 22 lakh or 50,000 is COGS divided by average stock is inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio is 6 times. So average stock will be 22 lakh 50,000 divided by 6. 22 lakh 50,000 divided by 6 is 3 lakh 75,000 is average stock. Can I say average stock is equal to opening plus closing divided by 2 is equal to average stock is equal to 3 lakh 75,000? Yes. Now, instead of closing stock, can I write down opening plus 20,000? Yes. So instead of closing stock over here, I am writing opening plus 20,000. It is not 0, this is opening. Plus 20,000 divided by 2 is equal to 3 lakh 75,000. This is the 2 opening stock plus 20,000. This will be 3 lakh 75,000 into 2. It is 7 lakh 50,000. Opening stock will be 7 lakh 30,000 divided by 2. Three lakh 65,000. And closing is equal to opening plus 20,000. So closing will be 3 lakh 85,000. I have got average stock, I have got opening stock, I have got closing stock from the ratios which are available. So which ratios I have used? Inventory turnover ratio, I have used the GP ratio, I have used the current ratio. Still, 2 ratios are pending. Creditors turnover ratio. Next is creditors turnover ratio. What will be in denominator? Creditors. What will be in numerator? Credit purchase. Now neither creditors are available, neither credit purchase is available. Is it available? No. Can anyone help me out? How I'll find it out? Yes.
By COGS.
By
COGS.
but creditors are not matched with COGS.
But credit purchase fund. Total purchase fund minus cash purchase is equal to credit purchase.
So how you will find out total purchase? By COGS, yes. Yes, you are correct.
Yeah, okay.
What is what is, yes, exactly. You have opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock is equal to also COGS, which is nothing but sales minus GP. Opening stock we are having, yes. Opening stock is 3,65,000. Good. 3,65,000. Plus purchase we are not knowing. Closing stock we are knowing, yes, it is 3,85,000. Is equal to COGS. COGS we are knowing, yes. It is sales minus GP, which is 22,50,000. So solving this, purchase will be equal to 22,50,000 minus 3,65,000 plus 3,85,000 will be 22,70,000. 22,70,000. And this purchase is a total purchase. Then what will be credit purchase? Will be is equal to total purchase minus cash purchase. What is total purchase? 22,70,000. What is cash purchase? It is given 2,30,000. Yes. Yes.
There is a mistake in calculation. Total purchase is 15 lakh.
Just a minute. 22,50,000 minus 3,65,000 plus.
Sorry, sir, I have minutes.
Okay, no problem. That is all right. 22,70,000 minus 2,30,000. It is 20,40,000. Will be nothing but credit purchase. Now we can use this. Creditors turnover ratio. We are knowing it. Creditors turnover ratio is 10 times. 10 is equal to credit purchase 20,40,000 upon average creditors or creditors. So average creditors will be 2,04,000 rupees. Last, debtors turnover ratio. Debtors turnover ratio. What will be in denominator? Debtors or average debtors? You can take debtors, you can take average debtors. Normally it is average debtors. On in numerator, you cannot write down sales or COGS. You need to write down credit sales. What is debtors turnover ratio? Is 8 times. Credit sales, are we knowing it? Yes. Credit sales is 24 lakhs. Upon debtors. So debtors will be 3 lakhs rupees. This was question number 4.1.